Kolkata and the audiences of Kolkata, the dance connoisseurs of our city, are indeed very happy to have this opportunity of finding under one umbrella some of the greatest and some of the most legendary dancers of our country. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we begin with Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is, of course, a dance form which encapsulates the entire rich tradition of our country, a tradition which goes back, in fact, even before the Aryans had come to our country. Bharatanatyam, in a way, reflects the core of the Indian culture. Malavika Sen has been learning Bharatanatyam from Guru Srimati Thankamani Kutti for more than 2 decades now. Malavika is a wonderful dancer who has established herself as one of the prima donnas of Bharatanatyam. Indeed, she has performed in virtually all the important classical dance festivals in India and abroad. Recently, she had also been touring exclusively in North America, in France, and as to the Indian dance festivals, starting from the Konark to the most famed Bharatanatyam dance festivals, Malavika Sen has been one of the most coveted artists in the dance circuit. Today, she would be showcasing her talents by presenting some of the most authentic items of Bharatanatyam. Today, of course, she would be specially encouraged to have her guru besides her. Guru Srimati Thankamani Kutti has choreographed her entire performance and she would be conducting it. And providing her vocal support would be Sukumar G. Kutti. On the mridangam would be Sri Surya Narayan. On the violin, Sri Satya Vishal. On the flute, Sri B.V. Santaram. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, on behalf of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis, which indeed has been a patron of classical music and dance for the last 3 years and more, we welcome you to this dance festival. It is indeed heartening to see so many of you come in, and I'm sure today's fare would more than satisfy your appetite for seeing good dancing. So, we commence with Bharatanatyam by Srimati Malavika Sen. Srimati Malavika Sen would be commencing with Pushpanjali. This particular composition is in Ragam Janaranjini and Talam Adi. Pushpanjali is, of course, an offering, a floral offering to the Supreme Being, to the teacher, and finally to the audience. The Anjali Hasta put above the head to show respect to the Supreme Lord, and it is placed in front of the forehead to the Guru and in front of the chest for the audience. Pushpanjali in Ragam Janaranji and Talam Adi.
मातृभीम परिवेष्टितम् परिवेष्टितं भक्तप्रियं भक्तप्रियं मदोन्मदं वन्देऽहं गणनायकं वन्देऽहं गणनायकं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम् तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तकदिं तकजनु तकदिमितं तदिं तदिं तदकदं तकदिं तकजनु तकदिमितं तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तकदिं तकजनु तकदिमितं तदिं तदकदं तकदिं तकजनु तकदिमितं तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं वानि मम नि मानि मम नि सगस गसनि सगसनि सगनि सग नि मगं सगम गसनि सगसनि सगमनि स तदिं तदकतदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तदिं तदकदं तगदिं तगजनु तगदिमितं तगजं तगदरिदं तगजं तगदरिदं तगजं तगदरि तं तदिं तजं तदिं ततजं 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 तगजं तगदरिदं तगजं तगदरिदं तगजं तगदरि तं तदिं तजं तदिं ततजं 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 तगजं तगदरिदं तगजं तगदरिदं तगजं तगदरि तं तदिं तजं तदिं ततजं 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 सगस 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 निमामनि 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 स निमग 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 सगम मग गमनि सग सगस 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 निमामनि निमामनि ममनि सगस 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 निमामनि 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 स निमग 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 ga sa ga ma ma ga ni sa ga ma ga sa ni sa ni sa ga ni ma ni sa ma ga sa ni sa ga sa ni ma ga ma ni sa ma ga sa ni sa ga sa ni ma ga sa ga ma ni ta di ta ta ka ta di ta ta ka ta ta ga di ta ga da nu ta ga di ni ta ta di ta di ta ta ka ta ta ga di ta ga da nu ta ga di ni ta ta di ta ta ka ta di ta ta ka ta ta ga di ta ga da nu ta ga di ni ta.
That was Pushpanjali. Malavika Sen will now present Dashawataram. Dashawataram deals with poet Jayadev's concept of Lord Krishna's 10 incarnations. This would now be presented in the idiom of Bharatanatyam. The 10 incarnations are Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parasuram, Sri Ram, Balaram, Buddha and Kalki. They have come from time to time for the deliverance of the good from evil. Dashawataram in Ragamalika and Chaturashra Ekatalam, performed by Malavika Sen, choreographed by Guru Srimati Thankamani Kutti.
Jale, Dhrudavana Sivedam
tikano tam tei hat tat to tin tat tin tat tin tat tin tat tin tat jam tat tikita taka taka tat tikano tam ta kita taka tei tam tam ta ti tam ta ti jam tat tikita taka taka tat tikano tam tat tei ya tat tei ya tam tam tat ti tat tei ya tat tei ya tam tam tat tat tei ya tat tei ya tam tam tat ti tat tei ya tat tei ya tam tam tat tat ti tat ti taka jam ti tat taka taka ti tat ti taka nam ti tat tat ti tat ti taka jam ti tat ti taka jaka ti tat ti taka nam ti tat tam tam tat ti tam tam tat ti tam tam ti tam tam ti tam tam taka ti ku tat ding ding nak tom
शीतिरति विपुल